In a world filled with constant criticism and negativity, finding strength and resilience can seem like an insurmountable task. However, there is a powerful message of hope and empowerment found in the words of Matthew 5 verses 11 to 12. Blessed are you when people insult you, persecute you, and falsely say all kinds of evil against you because of me. Rejoice and be glad, because great is your reward in heaven. These verses from the Sermon on the Mount offer a profound perspective on how we can respond to insults and adversity. They teach us that, instead of allowing insults to weaken us, we can use them as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Let us explore how this biblical passage can help us embrace adversity and find inner strength. Embracing adversity, unveiling the power of Matthew 5 verses 11 to 12. 1. Recognizing the blessing in insults. At first glance, being insulted may seem like anything but a blessing. However, Matthew 5 verse 11 challenges us to reframe our perspective. When someone insults us because of our faith or values, we can view it as a sign that we are standing firmly in our convictions. It is a reminder that our beliefs are worth defending and that we are making an impact. By recognizing insults as a blessing, we shift our focus from the negativity and find strength in our convictions. 2. Refusing to let insults define us. Insults can have a powerful impact on our self-image and confidence. They can make us question our worth and identity. However, Matthew 5 verse 12 reminds us not to let insults define who we are. Instead, we are called to rejoice and be glad. This means embracing our true identity as beloved children of God, regardless of what others say. When we refuse to allow insults to define us, we reclaim our power and find the strength to rise above the negativity. 3. Cultivating inner resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity, and Matthew 5 verses 11 to 12 encourages us to cultivate this inner strength. Insults can be demoralizing, but by embracing them as opportunities for growth, we can develop resilience. We can choose to focus on our own growth and character development rather than seeking validation from others. This shift in mindset allows us to find strength within ourselves and become more resilient in the face of insults. 4. Finding comfort in a greater reward. One of the most comforting aspects of Matthew 5 verses 11 to 12 is the promise of a great reward in heaven. When insults come our way, it is easy to become discouraged and disheartened. However, knowing that our faithfulness and endurance will be rewarded can provide us with the strength to persevere. This promise reminds us that our value and worth are not determined by the opinions of others, but by our relationship with God. It allows us to find solace in the knowledge that our ultimate reward awaits us. 5. Turning insults into opportunities for love and understanding. Rather than responding to insults with anger and retaliation, Matthew 5 verses 11 to 12 challenges us to respond with love and understanding. Insults often stem from ignorance and fear, and by responding with kindness, we have the opportunity to break down barriers and foster understanding. This transformative response not only strengthens our own character but can also have a profound impact on those who insult us. It opens the door for dialogue and can potentially change hearts and minds. 6. Inspiring others through our example. Finally, by embracing insults and finding strength in Matthew 5 verses 11 to 12, we have the opportunity to inspire others. Our ability to rise above insults and respond with grace and resilience serves as a powerful example to those around us. It shows others that insults do not have to define us, and that we have the strength to overcome adversity. Our response can encourage others to find their own inner resilience and stand firm in their beliefs, even in the face of insults. Matthew 5 verses 11 to 12 provides us with a profound understanding of how insults and adversity can be transformative experiences. By recognizing insults as blessings, refusing to let them define us, cultivating inner resilience, finding comfort in a greater reward, turning insults into opportunities for love and understanding, and inspiring others through our example, we can discover a strength within us that is unshakable. So let us embrace the power of these verses and find the inner resilience to rise above insults and adversity, knowing that great rewards await us in heaven. Please like and subscribe for more content. Full videos are on our channel. Thank you.